Hello mga kasipnayan! Welcome sa ating bagong video lesson. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na ngayon. You may also click the notification bell so you will be updated sa mga susunod kong mga video lesson. Ako si Sir Jhomz at samahan niyo akong muli sa paglalayag natin sa kaalaman ng Sipnayan. So, kapit ka lang, focus at huwag kang bibitaw. Let's go! Okay, so mga kasipnayan, for today's video, ang pag-aaralan natin ay ang composition of functions. Okay, so ang symbol ng composition of functions ay f composed with g of x equals f of g of x. Alright, so madali lang naman ito tandaan, no? Kasi kung ano yung nauunang function, yun yung gagamitin natin. Tulad dito, f yung nauna, so therefore yung function ng f ang gagamitin natin. Then yung g naman yung pangalawang function, so yun yung ipapalit natin sa x ng function na gagamitin natin. So magiging g of x siya. Okay, so example, f of x equals 5x minus 3 and g of x is equal to x squared plus 4. So we are going to find the following composite function. So we have here f composed with g of x, g composed with f of x, and f composed with f of x, and g composed with g of x. Okay, so let's go ahead. Without further ado, let's solve this composite functions. So for our first example, of course, our functions given is 5x minus 3 and our g of x is x squared plus 4. So nakita nyo naman yung first composite natin, ang nauna ay f sa g. So we will use f na function. So that's 5x. No? Pero sulat muna natin yung formula. So it will be f of g of x. Okay, so meaning yung x natin ng f ay papalitan natin ng g of x. And our f of x is 5x minus 3. Okay, so yung x dito ay papalitan natin ng g of x and the value of g of x is x squared plus 4. So we will replace that. So 5, then yung x ay papalitan natin ng x squared plus 4. So it will be times the quantity of x squared plus 4, then minus 3. Okay, then ayan pa rin yung f of x natin, yung 5, yung x squared plus 4, then minus 3. Pinalitan lang natin yung x. Then let's simplify by distributive property of multiplication over addition. So we will multiply 5 by x squared. So it will be 5x squared. And 5 times 4 is 20. Then copy yung negative 3 natin. Then simplify natin sila mamaya. So copy muna natin yung first term. 5x squared. Then subtract natin 20 minus 3 is 17. Okay, so there you have it. So we have 5x squared plus 17. Okay, all right. So let's go ahead and answer the second example. Okay, so we will be using same given functions. So we have 5x minus 3 and x squared plus 4. And this time, nakita nyo nauna yung g sa f. So we have g composed with f of x. So gagamitin natin yung g, syempre, at yung magiging x niya ay yung f. So f of x. Okay. So again, what is our g of x? That is x squared plus 4. So let's write it. X squared plus 4. And then we will replace yung x natin ng f of x. So ano yun? 5x minus 3. So 5x minus 3, that's the value of x. Then squared. Then plus 4. Okay. So expand natin to kasi may exponent siya na 2. So ibig sabihin, we will multiply it by itself. So it will be 5x minus 3 times 5x minus 3. Then plus 4. Okay. So yan, we can use FOIL method here. So first term to first term. So 5x times 5x is 25x squared. Next is the outer terms. So 5x times negative 3. It's negative 15x. And then the inner terms, negative 3 times 5x is also negative 15x. And then the last term, which is negative 3 times negative 3, of course, positive 9. And then plus 4. Okay. Then let's simplify. Copy natin to dahil wala naman tong katulad. So 25x squared. And then we can add these two terms kasi like terms sila. Bukod doon, like sign din. So negative 30x. Okay? And then add these two constant numbers. 9 plus 4, that's positive 13. Okay. So ayan. Ayusin ko lang to. That's 30. I mean 0. Baka malito kasi kayo. Okay. So therefore, the composite functions of G and F is, ayan, 25x squared minus 30x plus 13. Okay, and there you have it. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and answer problem number 3. So, of course, we'll still be using same functions here. The 5x minus 3 and x squared plus 4. And what we're looking for here is f composed with f of x. At dahil parehong f ang given, so we will be using only one function here, the f of x. So it will be f of x. So therefore, yung x ng f of x natin ay yung sarili din niya. So let's write it first. 5x minus 3, the f of x. And then x is also f of x. So papalitan natin yung x ng kanyang sarili din. So 5x minus 3. And then minus 3. Okay. And then, yan, pinalitan natin yung x. Then, distribute. So, 5 times 5x is 25x. And 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. And then, minus 3. Okay? So, let's just copy the first term. 25x. And then, add because they are like signs. So negative 15 plus 3, it's 18. Yes, negative 18. And there you have it. Okay? So we have 25x minus 18. Alright. So let's go ahead and answer problem number 4 or example number 4. So we have same given functions here. 5x minus 3 and x squared plus 4. But as you can see, the composite functions here is g composed with g of x. So meaning we will be using one function only, and that's the g of x. And of course, its x is also g of x. So let's rewrite the g of x, that is x squared plus 4. And we will replace the x with x squared plus 4 also. So it will be x squared plus 4 squared, then plus 4. Okay. So, expand natin to kasi may exponent siya na 2. So, meaning multiplying by itself. So, x squared plus 4 times x squared plus 4. Then, plus 4. Okay. So, ayan. Dahil may exponent siya na 2, kaya minultiply natin siya ng 2 beses sa kanyang sarili. Then, we can use FOIL method. So, first term to first term, x squared times x squared is x to the 4th power. And then outer term to outer term, x squared times 4 is 4x squared. And then inner term to inner term, positive 4 times x squared is positive 4x squared. And then the last terms, positive 4 times positive 4 is positive 16. And then plus 4. Alright. So, let's simplify. Let's just rewrite x to the 4th power kasi wala naman siyang katulad. And then add the 4x squared because they are like terms. So, it will be positive 8x squared. And add the two constant numbers, 16 and 4. That will be positive 20. And there you have it. Okay. So, that is our composition of G and G. Composite functions. So, x to the 4th plus 8x squared plus 20. Alright, so I hope you learn how to solve this composition of functions. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Happy learning. Bye-bye.